Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this look right here using the Anastasia Prism Palette. And I also used the new Amrezy highlighter. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So I've already prepped my eyes using the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot, and I set it with the lightest shade in my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, which is this one right here. What I'm going to do is add a little bit of translucent powder underneath my eyes, just in case there's a lot of fallout, since I already went ahead and applied my base. So for today's look, we're going to use the Anastasia Prism palette, and I'm going to start off applying a little bit of Eden into my crease. I'm just using a very small amount, and I'm using my Morphe M441 brush. I'm just gonna lightly buff. So once I've blended that out to my liking, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Unity, and I'm just going to buff that on the very outer edges just to blend out really nicely. Now going in with a Morphe M443, I'm gonna dip into Saturn, and I'm using the smallest amount, and I'm just bringing this a little closer to my crease. Next color I'm going in with is going to be Throne, and I'm just going to use a flat no-name brush, and this I'm going to pack all over the eyelid. Okay, so once you've laid that on your crease, it does look a little crazy. Now we're going to start blending it out and buffing it out with a little bit of Eden and Saturn mixed together on the same Morphe M443 brush. So that wasn't blending out the way I was hoping it was going to. So using the small Anastasia brush that comes with the palette, I'm going to take a little bit more of Throne, and I'm going to gently buff this into the orange just so it blends a lot easier. And I'm not using a lot or a heavy hand. It's a very light pressure. And I'm just blending this into the orange. And I'm gonna go back and forth between this brush and the Morphe M433, just so everything looks really blended. And I'm going to keep doing this until I'm happy with the way it looks. Okay, so the lower lash line, I mixed in a little bit of Eden and Saturn just to smoke out the bottom. So I'm going to add a little bit of Sphere in my inner tear duct. And I really just want to pack on this color. So I needed to add a little bit of Setting Spray Fix Plus onto my brush just to make that color pop a little more. So that's what I'm going to do on this side as well. And I'm really just pushing in this shadow. I'm just going to go in with my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just gonna blend ever so slightly. I'm running a little bit of Throne on the lower lash line, but I'm just keeping it kind of close. I just want everything to be blended. I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and my lashes off camera to save some time, and then I'll be back in a few. Liners on, lashes are on. I use the Salon Perfect 615s on, and I didn't wing out my lashes. I just did a very thin layer just to hide the lash glue. And going in with the Milani Baked Bronzer in number 5 Soleil, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this on. I don't really want blush since I have a lot of colors here, but I do want to warm up the face a bit. So I'm just going to bring a very small amount on the apples of my cheek. Just going to add a little bit on my forehead. Because this eye is so dark, I want to look really bronze. So now it's time to highlight the face, and we're going to try out the new Amrezy and Anastasia highlighter. I'm going to go in using my Morphe Y14 brush, and this highlighter is so pretty. Let's do a swatch. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so let's just apply this on. And there is no fallout whatsoever. Okay. Oh my god, that is beautiful. This looks so good. I'm not even sure if the camera is picking it up. The last thing we're gonna do is apply our lipstick, and because everything is so dark, I want to stick to a nude lipstick. You can do whatever nude you're most comfortable with. So I'm gonna line my lips with MAC's Stripdown. And then going in with a little bit of MAC's Fleshpot. And then finally, I'm going to add a little bit of Myth Lipglass. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video.